Hi cuties, today we are going to see the letter D, that is capital letter and small letter D. See, before going into it, we'll see the lines. So what is the first one? First red line, first blue line, second blue line and last red line. So now how to write? By using this 4 lines. Keep your pencil on the first red line. First write like a standing line. Come and stop in the second blue line and take your hand, keep your pencil on the first red line, just write like a close curve. Okay, again I'll teach you standing line and keep your pencil on the first red line and just write a close curve. Capital letter D. How to write the small letter D? Just write a standing line. Okay, keep your pencil on the first blue line and just write a small C and touch this standing line. Okay, so once again, see here, standing line and just close curve. That is small c also you can say. See, capital letter D, D for dog. Standing line, just keep your pencil on the first red line, come down and touch the second blue line. What is this? Capital letter D, small letter D, standing line and small c. Okay, this is how you should write the capital letter D and small letter D. Now we are going to see the capital letter E and small letter E. See how to write, and keep your pencil on the first red line, come down, touch the second blue line, write small standing line, small sleeping line on the first red line. Okay, and small sleeping line on the first blue line and small sleeping line on the second blue line. See, once again I'll teach you. See, standing line. Okay, write the small sleeping line on the first red line and small sleeping on the first blue line and small sleeping line on the second blue line. Once again, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This is how you should write the capital letter E. How to write the small letter E in script writing? See, can you able to see the first blue line and second blue line? In that middle, you should keep your pencil on the middle of the blue line and write small sleeping line. Don't take your pencil, just go up, touch the first blue line, write like a C. Okay, come down and stop where you have started. So this is how you should write the small letter E. See, once again I'll teach you. Say, write the small sleeping line, go up, touch the first blue line, write on this blue line and come down and touch the second blue line and stop where you have started. So each and everything should be equal. எல்லாமே எப்படி இருக்கணும்? இதெல்லாம் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கணும். Okay, small letter E. Once again I'll teach you. Small sleeping line, go up, touch the first blue line, come down and touch the second blue line and come straight to the where you have started. This is how you should write the capital letter E and small letter E. In this video we have seen the capital letter D, small letter D and capital letter E and small letter E. And write and practice, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.